Big breaking news update is coming in from the state of Punjab. A blast has been reported in Amritsar bypass in Majithia area this morning. One person has been injured as per initial inputs, and the injured man is the prime suspect who had come to retrieve a consignment, but due to manhandling, the blast occurred. That's the big breaking news update that is coming in from Punjab as live visuals hit on your screen at the moment. This was earlier this morning in the Majithia area bypass of Amritsar, and more reactions of the police also coming in. This was an alleged consignment the prime suspect had come to retrieve. However, it turned out to be a blast. Reactions coming in from the Punjab police. Take a look.
देखिए, ये आज सुबह जो प्राइमा फेसा अब तक हमने इन्वेस्टिगेट किया है, इस आदमी की जो सुबह इंजर्ड हुआ था, इसकी डेथ हो चुकी है। ये टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मेंबर ही है और ये जो विस्फोटक सामग्री थी इसको रिट्रीव करने आया था। जितने भी हमने पहले केस इन्वेस्टिगेट किए हैं, 100% केसेस में जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद यही चीज़ आती है कि ऐसी अबेंडेंट जगह पे वो विस्फोटक सामग्री को रख देते हैं, चाहे वो ग्रेनेड हो या कुछ हो, और फिर कोई उसको रिट्रीव करके आगे एक्शन करता है। तो ये भी उसी चीज़ का ही एक हिस्सा था। और जो मरने वाला है उसकी जेब से हमें काफ़ी कुछ क्लू मिले हैं जो इस चीज़ के साथ टोटली लिंक करते हैं। तो हम आगे अब फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे, तो उसके आगे इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो भी होगा हम आपको बताएंगे।
Lalit, big updates coming in on this story now. The DIG is saying that further investigation is underway. However, it is confirmed that the man has lost his life. What's the latest that we are tracking in this Amritsar blast investigation? Lalit, over to you. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the visuals coming in from Amritsar, where a blast was reported earlier today near the Majithia area bypass in the morning. One person who was injured in this blast. As per police now, he has lost his life. The initial input suggested that the injured man is in fact the prime suspect who had come to retrieve the consignment, which was some form of an explosive, but due to the manhandling during the consignment retrieval process, the blast occurred and the man has lost his life. We saw DIG of Punjab Police also there, present and investigating the entire matter. My colleague Lalit is also reporting live on this story, live from Panchkula at the moment. Lalit, what's the latest that we are tracking in terms of this investigation? Now, the man has lost his life is what the Punjab Police says, but what was this entire sequence of events all about? Give us the details.
A blast was being reported early in the morning around 9:30 in the Majithia bypass road in Amritsar, and as per the statement of the DIG border, Satinder Singh, he has said that the person who had come to retrieve the consignment, due to manhandling, the blast took place and he has lost his life while going treatment in the Guru Nanak Dev Hospital in Amritsar. But as per the initial inputs, what Satinder Singh has given, it has been said that he has been affiliated with a terrorist organization and he had come there to retrieve the consignment, and during the picking up the consignment and due to manhandling, this whole blast has taken place. What type of blast was it? For this, the investigation is going on. Apart from that, if we talk about whether it was a IED or a grenade attack, for that the SFL team is doing the investigation. We are reporting and looking after each and every detail. Republic TV will give every detail. Will flip into a very short break.
All right, those are the updates coming in from Amritsar, where a blast occurred earlier this morning. The man has lost his life and Punjab Police is now looking at all angles possible, including terrorism. Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to more breaking news.